Hello everyone, welcome with Monisha Nair. Today we are making authentic Kerala style egg roast, that too in earthen vessel. So let's get into this video. For that, here I have taken a mud vessel. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon of edible coconut oil. To this we will add hard boiled eggs. So here I have taken 7 eggs. So you need to make slight cut marks on these eggs and add it to this oil. So first process is we are going to roast these eggs slightly without adding the masalas. So just for few minutes you need to stir this just like this. Once you have slightly roasted, to this we will start adding the powdered spice. So just few spice I am adding, that is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and some salt. That's it. And to this I am going to add some water, 1 tablespoon, and now we'll mix this and slightly roast these for few seconds. So just for a minute on low flame. Once they are roasted, I'm going to remove these eggs and we are going to keep this aside. So this is basically a dry recipe. You can have this with some neer dosa, kori roti or some roti or as well as bread, but not with rice because this is a very dry recipe. And to the same vessel I am adding 3 tablespoons of edible coconut oil. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splutter a bit, to this I am adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and to this I am adding 3 medium sized sliced onions. Now we are going to fry these onions until they turn golden brown in color. So keep on stirring or the onions will burn. So you need to keep on stirring, mixing this until they turn golden brown. And to fasten up the process, here I am adding some salt. So this will fasten up our frying process. Now we'll mix this well and we'll fry this until they turn golden brown. Now onions have been perfectly turned caramelized. To this, here I am adding 3 small cloves of crushed garlic, 1 inch of crushed ginger. Now I am going to mix this well. Let the raw aroma of the ginger and garlic disappear, so just mix for few seconds. And to this I am adding 2 medium sized sliced tomatoes. To this I am adding 2 green chilies which I have slit into half, 1 string of curry leaves, now we'll mix this well and we are going to cook this on medium flame for 2 minutes. Let the tomatoes become soft and mushy. So once the tomatoes turn nicely soft, we will add our powder spices. For that, here I have taken 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. To this I am adding half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and some salt to taste. Now I'll mix this well. So if you don't like lot of black pepper flavor, so you can add little less black pepper, but we used to eat little more of black pepper, so it's fine. If you want, you can reduce the amount of black pepper. And to this I am adding 5 tablespoons of water. Now we'll cook this on medium flame until this becomes thick. So till then you need to cook. It barely takes few minutes. So keep on stirring and let this become little thick. So now you can see it has started to thicken. Now to this we are going to add our roasted eggs. So once I've added the eggs, I am going to mix this well and we'll cook this for 2 more minutes. And our delicious authentic Kerala egg roast is ready. Now I have switched off the flame and serve this hot. You can serve this with some neer dosa, kori roti, bread, even with simple roti. Definitely try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And remember friends, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.